Okay, so when we go to put the part in the chuck, so we're going to go off of the little indentations on the inside of these jaws. So, and we're going to kind of feel this out. Now, we want to try to get this to run as true as possible, so I'm going to kind of put this out for right now just so you can see it. And as I rotate this around, you can see that it doesn't run true, so we got a wobble in there. So as we go, as you practice doing this, if we get this to be feeling this out, notice as I'm kind of slowly bringing these in a little tighter, and I'm kind of trying to get that be snug, so then I can kind of see where I'm at in terms of my run out. Now with the run out, I'm kind of looking across the top on the length of this and seeing how it's running out from there. Once I get it to be where I'm happy with it, I'm gonna tighten down on that and we'll be good to go to start. Now, you don't have to be perfect when we're roughing the OD because we are gonna turn material off, but we do wanna be fairly accurate when we're putting it in there.